Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is my new series where we made a game in different steps in different videos. The first one I leave it in the description and up here. In this series we're going to make a game similar to Breakout called Blockout in the documentation of MakeCode.com. This is the game we're going to make. Obviously we're going to add more details and different things like upgrade, sounds and other things. I leave this link in the description too. It says step by step all the things you need to do, but we're going to see that in the video. So open the project, a new project, and what we need to do on the start is really simple. We're going to create the pedal of the game, but first we need the background. So go on scene, set background color and choose a color. I'm going to choose green. Then go on sprite, set my sprite. You can name it pedal. Okay, and go on here and draw the pedal. You can use every color you want. I'm going to go with blue. And every sides. You can do a shorter one to make it harder to play, or a larger one to make it easier, your choice. Okay, this is my paddle. Done. Okay, go on sprites, set my paddle position. We need on the lower part of the screen, so we 79 100, and of course set paddle. Let's see if it works. Yes, okay. We need the paddle to stay on the screen, so set paddle stay in screen on. Okay, and let's move it with buttons. So go on move with button, so move paddle with buttons, and here we can set the velocity, and we don't want to go up and down, so set this to 0. Okay, now the paddle moves and we can't go up and down. Okay, that's good. Now we need to create the blocks. Create a function, create blocks. Okay, now for the blocks, go on loops, get this one for index from 0 to 9. So everything in here will be executed from 0 to 9 times. And in here we need another loops for index 2, and change the index here. So I'm going to variables, make a variable index 2, and we can put the index 2 in here because this 2 index needs to be different. Go on variables, make a variable called x, set x to, go on math, pick this, variables index 18, pick an if, here math reminder of, but we need an equals, so pick up the equals, reminded of, variables index 2 equals 1. Then we need another set x to index this one. We need another this. So put this one in here. I'll explain in a minute. 8. Okay. What this does is to set up all the X position of the block we're going to put in here. So the first one is going to set at index, so 0 the first time for 18, so 0, then 1, 18, so 1, 18, and all the position of the blocks. Now we are actually creating them. So go on a new variable called like tile pick, so the tile that the cycle is going to pick, because we create like 3 different tiles. So set tile 2, go on math, pick random here to 0 to 2, if always in the second for, go on logic equals in here, if tile pick is 0, then set, call a new variable called tile, set tile 2 of kind, choose a new kind, we call it block, and draw the block. I'm going just to call pink with, I don't know, black border, but you can really draw wherever you want. Okay, so this is the first one. Click here, so else if tile pick is equal to 1, then draw another type of block like yellow, and else, so tile pick is equals to 2, draw a third type, going to choose purple. Then go under and do set position here, tile, because we picked a tile, and set the position to, the X needs to be this X, so go on variables, X here, and the Y is a math formula, so pick this one, put in here, and this one, and we need the index 2, put in index 2 here, so index 2, here 18, and here 20. Now go on the onStart and call the function create blocks that we just made. You see there is an error because all the blocks are up here. So go on function and see what I made wrong. Oh yeah, here is a plus. Let's see if it works. Okay, the second line is not working. There is another error, I guess. There is a plus here too. Okay, all the blocks now are in the position, and you see every time the blocks are different. Good. The puddle is actually too small, so we're going to increase the size of the puddle. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Okay, for today's episode, that's all. We made the player and the blocks we need to destroy. Next time we are going to add sounds, the ball that needs to destroy the blocks, and the list goes on. So stay tuned. We see next time. Bye.